Hi guys, today I will be showing you how to add music to Instagram posts with multiple photos. First, you have to make sure that this application is up to date. Now tap Instagram application to start. And in order for you to post something, you just have to tap this plus button here that is next to this magnifying glass. And then what you want to do next is to look for those pictures that you want to post. But before you choose these photos, you have to tap this square next to this camera icon in order for you to select multiple photos. Once you're done, tap next. And then here, what you want to do is to simply select filters to your photos. Everything is up to you, so there are tons of filters right here. Also, at the top, you will see this music icon, and all you have to do is to click that to search for the music that you like. You can scroll down to look for a music, but if you're looking for a specific song or artist, all you have to do is to go to the search bar and search for that music. Now you have to simply drag this one to select the part of the music that you wanted to add. Okay, so once you have found that part, all you have to do now is to click next. And here, what you want to do is to tap OK and write a caption for your post. Okay, so once done, click OK. And you can also add location, tag people, change the audience, get orders, add reminder, boost posts, and so on. And once you're okay with everything, all you have to do is to click share. And if you want to see the result of your post, just go to your profile to see your post. And that's it. I hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our next tutorials.